this week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to be reviewing and raffling the CodeBug Programming Starter Kit. We all know that saying, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are professional or even just experienced programmers. Whether you're 14 or 40, coding and programming can be a hobby, a useful skill to add to your resume, or something more. But you have to start somewhere, right? Well, that somewhere could be this little CodeBug. This tiny board is a super versatile, programmable, and even wearable device designed to provide an introduction to basic coding and programming. To help with all the wondrous possibilities, the CodeBug includes a Microchip PIC18F high-performance microcontroller, which features a C compiler-optimized RISC architecture and operates at 64 MHz. The device can additionally be connected to a Raspberry Pi GPIO to further expand its capabilities. To that end, when used in tandem with a Raspberry Pi GPIO, the CodeBug can be controlled and programmed using Python 3. The device is outfitted with CodeBug Connect, an IDE and USB disk drive with 1 MB of onboard storage space, and that's enabled by Wi-Fi connectivity that allows developers to connect the device directly to a web browser for seamless file transferring and editing. CodeBug Connect documentation also includes other resources to help you get started, such as sample code and guides on how to create your first program using remote deployment and instructions. This 39 by 47 by 1.7 mm CodeBug includes a micro USB connector that can be used for serial programming to tether the kit as a tablet or computer controller, and a 5-volt power source, though there is also a slot at the back of the board for an optional 3V CR2032 coin battery. If you didn't notice, on the front of the device here is a 5x5 LED grid that can serve almost limitless functions, depending on how the CodeBug is programmed. The CodeBug website is another source of resources and example projects, where there are courses like how to create motion displays and simple animations using the lights, plus a range of other activity modules targeting different skill levels such as conductivity experiments, debugging demos, motion sensing projects, and imaging with the Raspberry Pi camera. Each activity module comes with a list of required materials, tutorials for setting up your hardware and writing your program, and additional steps you can take to further enhance your project. You can also explore popular projects from other users when you're ready to branch out even more. With the holidays right around the corner, CodeBug is a great gift for anybody interested in learning general purpose programming. If you or someone you know could benefit from one of these, you can purchase one from DigiKey for just $19.54. Of course, there's also the option of entering this week's raffle to win this CodeBug here for free. We'll even ship it right to your door free of charge if you do win. Well, that's it for this week, so as always, thanks for watching, good luck in the raffle, and we'll see you next week on the next episode of DevKit Weekly.
For more content from embedded computing design, including behind-the-scenes footage, raffles, giveaways, and just cool stuff that we're doing in general, visit us on social at the links provided in the bio below.